Milk, eggs, and butter seem to be exactly what's on the snowstorm menu. Some shoppers say they're preparing for the worst.
Snow apocalypse, got to get the bread and milk. French toast for everybody. Will say I'm probably happy I got in here before the craziness starts. I'm predicting tomorrow everybody's going to get out of work and probably be here. So I said to my wife, I was like, let's just get it over with.
One shopper had no idea of what's to come.
I was here the other day. I don't watch TV, so I didn't know the storm was coming, to be honest. So I stocked up with my provisions the other day. So it looks scary. Yes, I'm not happy.
Garrity workers say while the store is busy, they're prepared to get an even bigger rush of shoppers just before the storm is set to roll in Saturday night.
It's probably going to be a lot busier than it is today because the further we get closest to the storm, the more business we're going to get. So I think the storm is supposed to come in Saturday night. Saturday morning, we're going to be slammed.
A tale as old as time, many shoppers will be here to grab those last-minute necessities.